Lost to. The idiom, lost to, is commonly used in English to describe a situation where someone is unable to understand or comprehend something. It implies that the person is confused or unable to make sense of a particular concept or idea. It can also be used to express a lack of awareness or knowledge about a certain topic. Here are a few examples to illustrate the usage of lost to. 1. I'm sorry, but your explanation of quantum physics is lost to me. In this example, the speaker is admitting that they do not understand the explanation of quantum physics. They are confused and unable to comprehend the concept being discussed. 2. The complex legal jargon used in the court case was lost to the jury. This sentence suggests that the jury members were unable to grasp the intricate legal language used during the court proceedings. They were confused and found it difficult to understand the details of the case. 3. The professor's lecture on astrophysics was completely lost to the students. Here, the students were unable to comprehend the professor's lecture on astrophysics. The topic was too complex or unfamiliar to them, resulting in a lack of understanding. 4. The fine details of the contract were lost to me, so I sought legal advice. In this scenario, the person confesses that they were unable to understand the intricate details of the contract. They felt confused and uncertain, so they decided to consult a legal expert for help. Overall, the idiom, lost to, is used to convey a sense of confusion or lack of understanding. It indicates that someone is unable to comprehend a particular concept, idea, or information.